Hi, and welcome to this wonderful listing that we're proud to present at Link Business Broking. The business we're selling here is Dixon Manufacturing Limited, otherwise known as Dixon Stainless. So the name would suggest it specialises in stainless steel fabrication, from small individual jobs right through to production line quantities of anything and everything practically. So the business has a wonderful premises north of Auckland in Warkworth. So it's geographically presented well for the significant growth that's happening up in the Northland and Warkworth area, but also not too far from Auckland, so it can service customers and logistics isn't a nightmare. The business has a well-stocked portfolio of really good, strong, well-known businesses such as Fonterra, Oracle Racing, HEB Construction, Panuku Developments, and if you know anything about these organisations, they're all in different sectors and different industries, so the business isn't focused particularly in one area, which mitigates risks. So the business outlook is fantastic. The business currently has 18 skilled staff. We all know it's hard to find good people in this market. Fortunately for the astute buyer that sees the opportunity in this, they're going to pick up 18 skilled staff which come with the business. So the business is practically turnkey from that respect, and you can take off and go. There's no stopping where this business can go. It's experienced 46% year-on-year growth from the previous year, so the business owners have recognised that this business has a wonderful potential and it really needs some new energy and possibly some investment to take it to the next level and scale the business. So I'm not going to bore you to death with too much more in terms of details, but I'm going to let Andy here show you through the operation, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
I'm Andrew Wilkes. I'm one of the co-owners of Dixon Manufacturing in Warkworth. We're a company that's been around since 1968, originally owned by Neil Dixon, plumber and sheet metal. He had a real passion for boats and the marine industry, and at that time there was very little in the way of accessories, handrails, boarding ladders, rod holders, so he developed a range of boarding ladders and handrails, mainly for the New Zealand boat builders, at which time there was a lot of people building their own boats then. That business grew. We had the good fortune in the early 2000s to be able to buy the business from Neil, which we've now grown it. We've moved it into a building of almost 2,500 square metres. Originally came with a staff of 2 people, and we now have 18 people and a range of machinery that enables us to tackle almost any project in stainless steel or aluminium. I'll take you through now into our workshop facility, show you some of the equipment, which will give you an idea of the capabilities that we've got here at Dixon Manufacturing. This is our inwards goods area, so our stock of stainless tube and pipe, flat bar, sheet metal comes in here. It's where all the cutting takes place, various saws, before it then goes on to either the lathes or the tube benders or the tube rollers. So at Dixon Manufacturing, we've got a range of tube bending and rolling machines. This is one of our latest additions. So this is a full mandrel bending machine. We'll take tube and pipe in both round and square sections, up to 3 inch. It's very quick, it's very accurate. And has enabled us to, broaden our base of the type of work that we can undertake here. This is our section roller. We use this for square section tube, round tube, flat bar, for creating big radiuses. Here we've a small 80-ton press brake, numerically controlled. So that enables us to do a lot of the small production parts quickly, in-house and accurately ourselves. We don't have to subcontract work out. Not necessarily all machines are latest technology. There's some very old machines that we have. Press tools, so we provide component pieces for people similar to ourselves in this industry. This piece is just a shallow dome for handrails, capping the end of pipes. And we have a number of these mechanical presses, different tooling in them for producing vast quantities of punched components. We have rooms or areas set aside for special projects. This room at the moment we keep for small component pieces for aluminium work. We've currently got a range of component pieces that are being put together for Oracle Racing. This is our Maxium water jet cutter. This has been a huge boom to Dixon Manufacturing. We've had this machine now for approximately 2 years. We can cut any material, whether it be glass, plastic, stone or steel. We can cut intricate shapes and designs. Your imagination can run rife. We can cut thicknesses up to 200 mil thick. So again, for a lot of our tooling, this machine has been absolutely brilliant. We're in the area where we do most of the welding on all our small components. So our welding is a mixture of TIG, which is the predominant welding procedure we use, a little bit of MIG welding, small amount of arc welding. So we have here one of 2 fuel tanks that we're in the throes of making. They're a complete custom job. We have another project that we've been working on, which is a heating vessel. Again, it's a contract job, quite intricate, quite involved, needed to be very accurate, all food grade. It's just an example of some of the things that we're able to do. Okay, you've seen through our facility, our workshops up here in Warkworth. You've seen some of the projects that we've got underway. Some of these are for companies like Mercedes-Benz New Zealand, Oracle Racing, Yachting Developments, Fonterra. Whatever your ideas are, whatever your projects that you've probably got, please give us a call. We're always keen, we're always happy to help.
Well, hopefully you've learnt a little bit about this business and how it exists, and hopefully you're really excited about the opportunity that this business presents. So we're pretty keen to hear from the potential new owner, and we're excited to hear from all of you very soon. You'll be provided with an information memorandum that'll cover off most of what this business does, but if there's something we've missed, feel free to drop us a line either by email or phone, and we're happy to discuss the business and all the details that you may want. Don't miss this opportunity, get in touch today.